I go to you know. Kimara, wait, come here. I want to go and for your hand here, so. No, look. I want to go and for your hand. Come here, I want to go and for your hand. Put them there so make me see.
Bro.
Yeah, let me go and for your hand then. Let me see the next one. See a lizard. I'll be a breeze in this. Hello guys, welcome back to Lamande Island Vlogs where we live our lives every day without regrets. Today, them done see already. Today, Kimmy join me again for another adventure. What's up? You lost? Nobody in there. So when I walk with him belly. Peace and peace. Yo! But oh you get to the see next side there. Watch them see angle there. Lord daddy blind. What that? I lie, you reach up there some?
I'm not that sure, you know.
That you want?
Yeah. You know what pressure your pocket, right?
Yo, you want this pressure pocket. Alright guys, welcome back to Lamande Island Vlogs where we live our lives every day without regrets. As you can see from the title, today we are going to skate. Hopefully we can get to skate. Hopefully them up and then if we go up. But yeah, as you see, Kimmy joined me again. It's just a vibe. Hi. Hopefully you guys will enjoy this video and consider subscribing. Leave a like on the video now. If you feel like say Kimmy I go drop no, leave a like on the video.
No guys, let me tell you something. Me come here to skate. Me know say Becky can skate, but Becky a tell me say him can't skate. And me I pray for the air my size cause can't afford the big shoes for my foot. No. And me have an extra tip so.
Come on man, yeah?
No. No.
Yeah, so I did a fret say what I see online never right, but them open up until 12 AM. So good time. Maybe we can do 2 rounds of skating. I don't know how much feet though. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, we can come in now. So, because of Corona, them only have one dealer offer, which is $1,000. Crazy. $1,000 for 75 minutes. And I passed the ATM a while ago. I'm gonna never draw the cash in because I think say the $1,500 would have been enough for 2 hours. So, I just go back over the ATM go draw. So, just go over the ATM go draw some more money. So we can just get it done, you know. can't play for me. Jimmy! Come help me! Help!
What you do? Becky, set up foot like V. Put your foot on the press. Put your foot on the press. Yes. No. One foot down and one foot up. Yeah. No, set up foot like V. Stand up now. Stand up. Stop.
What me do? Turn up and get up.
Better than you. Stand up. Becky, stand up now, Kacha. How you gonna learn, so?
Good now. No.
We're going in the middle, as you can see, but Becky can't move, so.
Yeah, me use a phone.
Alright, so you ready, Becky? You ready?
Go on, me a phone.
So guys, Labu is finally standing. Remember, me not have eye behind me. Take time. Take time. Take time. You have a balance up, yeah.
It's your girlfriend's favorite DJ.
Go.
Watch your step. Come in the part of upon one of them. Yeah.
This one.
Yeah, but me walk on a vlog. In the part of me. I think I don't want to.
Sit there, control.
I'm peeing up. Like, I never expect to sweat so much. Yo.
Becky is in it sweat and Becky can't stay and Becky the quality girl. Get better than
No bother with that. But yeah, hope that's how we did there. No bad. Give me, you can't more be like, oh god, me reach at least 4 out of 10.
4 out of 10.
No, about 4 out of 10, not sure.
It's a 5.
5 minutes, I think me reach 5 yet, but
Because you will take your easy to learn and stuff. You know, some of them would have just give up and then just that's it. But you get 5 out of 10.
alright, so we kinda done, as in we have whole heap of light. We still kinda have whole heap of light out, so we just say we walk around a mall. Just see what I go on. First I kill me, I get a hot drop on it. As long as it don't swell up, me good. Now go on over here, you know.
I don't care.
She just love the road. They just love the road. Watch out. Lock.
Oh my god.
Lock. Watch out.
Where you go?
You can't read. You're the man with the man has sanitizer in hand. We're inside the mother. I go buy some ice cream. Hopefully Kim in a dash when the time, yeah.
510,
510. And this up?
320, 730, and 130.
And a phone.
Phone is 320.
320. Territory. Go on. Go on the light, this up. Bring this up.
Hold it.
Mercy. Anyways guys, we just done eat the ice cream and say we're gonna wrap up the video now. Even though I'm gonna talk that much in this one, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Ensure that you turn on notifications so once I post the next video, I mean you'll see it. Yeah, as always, I think it was just a fun afternoon, me and my sister. As I say, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. What you can do, you can go back and look at some of the other videos featuring Kimara if you wish. And yeah, go down your ice cream so we can go home, please. Yes. Anyways guys, thank you for watching, and remember, in every single thing that you do, be patient, exercise humility, and always be consistent. Patience, humility, consistent. Patience, humility, and consistency. See you in the next one.